Hello, this is Elena from Vital Energy Coaching, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my wonderful smoothie for breakfast every single morning. This is the basic recipe. Sometimes I add things or I like to change things around. So to start with, I like to have warm water, and this is 1 liter container. So I put maybe nearly a cup of water. And I add 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, and I add organic raw coconut oil. It's winter here, so it's very hard to get it out because it's solid. In summer it is liquid. And I'm putting them in the warm water so it melts, and also to soften the dried desiccated coconut a bit. The water is just warm, it's not hot, not boiling or anything like that. Now next I add some turmeric paste. Put just like a quarter of a teaspoon almost. Then I add organic molasses. One teaspoon is more than enough. This is actually a large teaspoon. And I leave it there for a while to soften the coconut, the dry desiccated coconut, and to melt the coconut oil with the molasses. Okay, now that this has been there for a while and the coconut oil is melted, and as you can see the molasses are melted as well, then I start adding the other ingredients, which are chia seeds. I start with the fiber, so chia seed, the coconut, desiccated coconut is fiber, chia seeds is fiber. Put 2 of those, and then I have golden linseed, one of those. That's the fiber. Then I start adding superfoods that are high in protein. Chia seeds has protein as well, and so does the coconut, the desiccated coconut. I like using raw bee pollen. I put 3 of them. Cacao, raw, organic, high in protein as well, and some minerals like iron, very good source. I put 3 of them. Then I add, for more protein, and the superfood is spirulina. I like using 1 teaspoon. Then I put moringa, which is another nice superfood, very high in B12, so it gives you lots of energy. And also some salt. I like using Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt. I put a quarter teaspoon for me. If you find it too much, you can always put less, but this is very good salt. And then for the immune system, I like using colostrum. I'm putting 2 of the scoops in there. And then I put the nut butter that for today is cashew, just freshly made. much noise. So this was, these were 3 tablespoons of nuts. I add berries, organic berries, 1/4 cup, and 1 organic banana. In there. Also, because it is winter, I like adding cinnamon. Cinnamon increases your body temperature and it's very good, as I said, for winter, but also because I'm using spirulina, which is very cooling and not a very good idea to use on its own, especially in winter. I like my cinnamon, so I use a 1/4 teaspoon. And that's it for the smoothie today. I'm not gonna add anything else to it. Then it looks like this. It depends on the consistency, how you like it. You add more water or leave it like that. So I have not added any more water to it. I'm just gonna start mixing it. This is it. This is how it looks at the end. It looks green because of the spirulina. If you don't add the spirulina, it will look brown. If you put cacao, well, depends when, you know, obviously the color is gonna change. I promise this is absolutely delicious. I like this thick because I like to eat it with a spoon, almost like dessert. I love it. And just make sure always when you're making a smoothie for your breakfast that it's got some good fiber, like the linseed, the coconut, especially the chia, very good fiber. Also make sure that you have some good fat in it. Like I love coconut oil and nut butters, very good. And for protein, besides the chia, the coconut, the cacao has also protein, the bee pollen has also protein, the spirulina has very high content of protein. And then just add obviously as well some salt, and then you can just play around with more superfoods, like in the case of organic molasses that I love so much. They're not very sweet and they're very much loaded with excellent minerals like sodium, calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc, copper. And if you like to use something else for your immune system, I recommend colostrum. Is awesome. It's very good. And again, if it's winter, add cinnamon. It's very good to keep you warm during the day. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy this, my first video attempting to show you how I make my Vital Energy Superfoods smoothie breakfast every day. And yeah, I'm looking forward to your comments to let me know what you think of it, if you tried the exact recipe, what you thought of the flavor, if you added more water because you like it runny, or what other superfoods you like including in your superfood smoothie. So okay, that's it for me today. I send you lots of love and I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.